Good morning, this is Connor from 0DTE Traders here to present our market minute for March 6, 2024. It is 10:40 and the SPX is trading higher, up 0.5%, 251.04. It is fairly quiet here in the cash market. A lot of this move did occur in the overnight. So in the extended hours, and we do have Fed Powell testifying at the moment. So that is a two-day event, today, tomorrow. Started at 10 o'clock and will go to about 12:30. I don't think there's an official end time. Nonetheless, participants are on guard, so to speak. And more often than not, the market is quiet during this time, with, of course, the potential to spark volatility one way or the other. Now, what tends to occur in markets is the index will gravitate towards, the fair value or neutral level going into a high volatility event, and that is the flip level of 50.95. This is our basically neutral level. It is our transitional strike, so above bullish, below bearish. And I will highlight just how neutral this is in terms of gamma here in a second. But the point is, there's not really a whole lot of directional edge at this point. We could get downside continuation, particularly if there's a negative catalyst. With the absence of a negative catalyst, the market's probably going to go up, right? Because that's the natural course. So in terms of levels, the first major resistance zone on the upside is 51.25. 51.30, that is gap fill. Implied high is also up there at 51.24. If that does break, it opens the door to 51.50, which is a very strong gamma level, and also the all-time high. On the downside, we also have a gap fill, would be yesterday's closing price at 50.79, followed by major support at 50.50 and 50.55, which comes before that. This was the previous session's low, and it was also the weekly low. So if you look back the prior week, this is where the market was finding support. Now let's just go over to the gamma charts, and I'll show you exactly the dynamics at play. The SPX gamma index, which measures total market gamma on a notional basis, is technically positive 25 million, although you can see it is much more neutral than imbalanced. This is also reflected on a notional basis. Flip level 50.95, all strikes above positive, which provides support for the market. Below, most strikes are negative, and that would really intensify below 50.50. So we would start to see some material negative gamma below that handle. So we are in this potential transitional zone. Now, are the bulls going to reassert themselves, or are we going to dip into that negative gamma territory? Time will tell. All right, guys, that's all I have for you. If you're not a member and you're interested in learning more, you can visit our website at 0DTEtraders.com. Best of luck out there today.